Hmm? Yeah, I started recording. Thanks. Okay, yeah. So I'm showing the homework status.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Nihal, you played ABCD. There is no working.
No, sir.
So then, how were you able to solve all questions without any working?
Sir, 1 second. Sir, one question I guessed.
But you didn't have working for any question.
Sir, I didn't. Sir, I didn't understand last class, so I went through the recording once again and sorry.
No, that's besides the point. You solved all questions without any working. That's what I'm saying.
Sir, 1 second.
See your push. It doesn't have any working. So bye, Nihal.
Sir, could you share the answer key?
I'm showing. That's the answer key. I'm just copying it. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Tell me the doubts.
Sir, third one.
Third one. Okay, 1 minute. After third one, remind me, Bhavya.
Sir, even I have a doubt in the third one.
Okay, for what value of P does the expression get minimum value at x equal to 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the expression?
Sir, x square minus px plus 2.
Right? So how do we ascertain the minimum value point? We
So first we'll substitute 2 in the place of x and then we'll check for which number does
so
it
we will
belong.
plot the graph of x square minus px plus 2. Na? So how do we go? We plot xy graph, but in place of y, what do we write? Okay. Yeah. See, Bhavya, you know how to plot a xy graph, but what is y equal to? This guy. So any problems in writing that graph like this? Now we want minimum value of this guy only. So if it comes like this, then this becomes the minimum value of this guy because now how do you find the minimum value? You see, look at the turning point, right? How do you find turning point? First, you find the slope.
I need to plot the graph for this sum.
So what is the slope? 2x minus p. Anish.
Yes, sir.
So turning point means?
Sir, velocity is equal to 0. That is 2x minus p is equal to 0.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now they are telling something that minimum value you get at x equal to 2. Right? So this will become 0 when x is equal to 2. So 4 minus p equal to 0, which
Yes,
gets p equal to
4.
4. See, Bhavya, you get 2x minus p equal to 0 at minimum point. And at minimum value, because turning point of the curve. Turning point of this curve will be the minimum point, right?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Wait, yeah, sure, ask.
Sir, do we need, sir, is there any need to plot the graph for this? Because they told we have to get the minimum value at x is equal to 2. So can we just substitute x is
Yeah.
equal to 2 in the expression
Yeah.
and do?
Yeah, that's what I will also do. This is just to explain the concept. So,
Sir, won't it come as the answer 5?
no, put x equal to 2. What do you get? 2 into 2 minus p equal to 0. P equal to 4. Right?
So px, it should be minus 2p.
Huh?
Sir, is it px? It's px, so it will become p into 2.
Huh? Yeah, it will become, but is it needed? They were not asking the minimum value of the expression. They were asking for what value of p. They were asking value of p only. What is the value of p?
Sir, I didn't get it, sir. Like the expression should get the minimum value at x is equal to 2
Yeah,
for
see.
some value.
What does expression should get its minimum value at x equal to 2? What does that mean? That when x is, this point must be 2 comma something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because this minimum point should be 2 comma something. So
Yes,
at minimum point, what should be the value of x?
sir, it should be the turning point. That means the position at x is equal to. So the position at x is equal to 2. That should be the minimum point.
No, minimum, yeah, you are right. But what is the value of x at minimum point?
Sir,
A point is made up of two values, x and y.
Y.
What is the value of x at the
Sir,
minimum
2.
point?
Sir, 2.
So at x equal to 2, you get the minimum point.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Minimum point is also the turning point. Hello?
So what is like the upwards?
Hmm?
So like what if it's like not U, it's like A, like ulta A
What if
kind of.
it's upwards? You are saying it's like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a good question, Anish. Look at it. What is the coefficient of x square?
Sir, 1.
It's positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever this happens, you will always get a U shape.
Okay,
You
sir.
will, that shape you get whenever there is a minus sign in front of x square.
Okay, sir.
So now at x equal to 2 is the minimum point and x equal to 2 is the turning point.
Yes, sir.
So when I say 2x minus p equal to 0, I am talking about the turning point or no?
Yes, sir.
At turning point x was 2. So I plugged 2. What did I get? P. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you are right. Now you can put P. You can make this as x square minus 4x plus 2. Then at x equal to 2, you can find this value. All that you can do. Hello?
Sir, I thought we should substitute 2 over there, so it will become 2 square minus 4 into 2, which is 16
Which is
minus 8.
minus 2. Which
Yes,
is
sir. And
minus 2.
yes, sir. And when we do it with 5, then we will be getting minus 4, sir. So in that way, I decided that the smaller
No,
the
no.
minimum.
No, so this is minus 2. So that helps you tell the minimum point, right? 2 comma minus 2.
Yes, sir.
But were they asking the minimum value or they were asking the value of P?
So they were asking the value of P.
And P ka value we already calculated was 4.
Sir, but in the case of 5, would it be minus 4, like the value of the expression?
A case of what?
Sir, in the case of 5, P is equal to 5, would the value of the expression be even smaller than minus 2?
It will be, but then for P equal to 5, you will not get the minimum value at x equal to 2. You will get the minimum value at x equal to 2.5. For P to be 5, your x will have to be 2.5. So P can't be 5. P has to be 4 only. Only then minimum value will be at x equal to 2. Because turning point where you are selecting x as 2.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next doubt. Next doubt. Hmm? Achha, Bhavya, you wanted first one, na? Bhavya, if you follow the process, it won't be that hard. It's easy. So how do we go about it? We write it as y equal to x square minus x plus 2. Then we plot a yx ka graph. But in place of y, what do we write? Right? Now, how does that graph look like at x equal to 0? Y is equal to 2. So 0 comma 2 here. Then turning point slope is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0 gives x equal to half. So at x equal to half, you will have a turning point. Now you know at turning point x is equal to, I don't know the other, we need to find y also at turning point. So at turning point, y is equal to how much? Wait, let me change the shade of area. Half square minus half plus 2 is equal to 7 by 4. So now you have the graph half comma 7 by 4, right? Turning point is half comma 7 by 4. What is the minimum possible value of x square minus x plus 2 from this? 7 by 4. Okay. Now, Bhavya, do you realize that the logic that why you might think that why can't it take the value of minus infinity? Are you wondering that, still wondering that why can't it be minus infinity? I can explain that using another logic like this.
Sir, first one.
Calculus method might not be that intuitive. Like graph is telling you that this graph does not go below 7 by 4.
Sir,
Right?
first one. Sir,
But
first one.
somewhere you feel math is not mathing kind of.
Sir, should x be infinity to get the smallest value because it's minus x?
So Anish, you were raising same thing that if x is equal to minus infinity, y should be minus infinity and all that, right?
Yes.
But no, look at it why. I can prove it using another way, algebra also.
Sir, the first one I got it wrong.
Now you understand, Nehal, or?
Oh, yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, now how can it be done with algebra? Remove y, you want minimum value of x square minus x plus 2. Apply that completing the square. Remember that completing the square trick. Now how much is this? X minus half whole square plus 7 by 4. Now this should give you clarity. Something which is a whole square is always, whole square of anything is cannot be negative. Whole square of a positive number is also positive. Whole square of a negative number is also positive. So this thing is either greater than 0 or equal to 0. But it can't be less than 0. And this thing is 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 plus this guy is always, no, this guy cannot, is always 0 or greater than 0. So the overall value will be greater than 7 by 4 or worst case 7 by 4. So that means this guy overall cannot go lower than 7 by 4.
Sir, so can we use this trick in the actual problem?
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
You can use this in original problems as well.
sir, this is way easier to me.
If you find it easier, fine. Okay, next. Fourth, fifth, any doubt? No?
No, sir.
Fifth also.
So fifth is basically infinity.
Fifth is infinity. Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
Which method you want? Algebra method.
Sir, are you sharing the screen?
I will share now. Apply algebra method then if you want to do it using algebra method. X square plus 5x. What will you do plus and minus? 5 by 2 whole square. Right? So 25 by plus 4 minus. This becomes how much? This becomes how much? Minus 9 by 4. Fine. No need, no need. But that will not give minimum value. That will factorize it. But now, what is the minimum value? Min value is minus 9 by 4. It can't go lower than minus 9 by 4, but it can go above minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4 is minus 2.25. Now, minimum integer value of the x. Now, minus 2.25 is not an integer. So, what are the integer values it can take? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, all the integer values greater than minus 2.25 it can take. Which of them is minimum? That's the minimum integer value. This is by algebra. By calculus or graphs, I think that should be clear to everyone how to.
Sir,
Any other doubt?
Sir, if we do like in this method, will you give remarks like working
Pardon?
more work? Sir, if we do the sums of maxima and minima in this way, then would you give remarks like more working required or something
No,
like
no,
that?
nothing like that. You choose your own method.
So, like, because this requires less math steps.
See, it depends. Not everyone is comfortable with this. And plus, what happens is, Anish, that this is an algebraic expression. When we get into trigonometry, logarithms, and all, this trick won't work. But that trick works everywhere. The graph one. Right now, you are into pure algebra only. So algebra you can manage like this. But if you get into logarithms, you get into trigonometry, you can't manage like this. You can't manage this with cubic also. For cubic also, you will have to use calculus method only.
So for cubic, both maxima and minima are just infinity, right?
Yeah, that is correct. That minima is minus infinity, maxima is infinity in cubic. Always.
Yes, sir. So there is no point.
Yeah, there is no point of maxima minima there. There is a point of local minima, local maxima, but there I have not gone.
So what do you mean by local?
Also, sir, graph, like in cubic graphs, you can so far have always followed rotations.
How? Just show me. Not right now. Not right now. It's quite late because that's why. But yeah, you can send me. I will have a look in morning or something. Okay, stopping here.
Bye, sir.
Bye.